Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure passive income with Bluehost easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start your journey toward passive income with Bluehost, visit the Bluehost website. Once there, click on the Get Started button. You'll see several hosting plans available for different needs. Choose a plan that suits you best and click on Select. Next, enter your domain name if you have one, or choose to create a new one. Fill in your account information, including your name, email address, and password. After that, select any additional package options you want, like domain privacy or backup. Review your package details and the total cost. Enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. Once you've completed your purchase, you will receive a welcome email from Bluehost. Log into your Bluehost account using the credentials you just created. On your dashboard, navigate to the My Sites tab. Click on Create Site to set up your new website. Follow the prompts to enter your site's name and tagline. Select a theme for your website from the options provided. Once your site is created, access it by clicking on Manage Site. To create passive income, you'll need to choose a niche for your content. Research keywords related to your niche that can attract traffic. Create valuable and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Integrate affiliate marketing links within your content to earn commissions. Consider adding ad networks, like Google AdSense, for additional income. Utilize social media platforms to promote your website and drive traffic. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Monitor your website's performance using analytics tools. Adjust your strategies based on your audience's behavior and preferences. As your traffic grows, explore additional monetization options, such as selling products or online courses. Stay patient and persistent, as building passive income takes time and effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.